Welcome back, everyone. Today we are going to start chapter 13 of Science, the Solar System. So, in order to understand the concept of solar system, first of all, let us talk about universe. What is universe? The vast space that we see when we look up in the sky, and everything in it is called universe. तो क्या क्या होता है यूनिवर्स में? इट इंक्लूड्स all the heavenly bodies like the stars, planets, satellites, meteoroids, and comets. So this all these things together make up the universe. Now, what is a solar system? The sun, the 8 planets and their satellites, or we can say moons, and other heavenly bodies like comets and asteroids form the solar system. So, as you can see here, different planets which constitute the solar system. Now, what are stars? A star is a huge ball of gases. It gives out its own light and heat. The sun is the nearest star to the earth. अर्थ का नियरेस्ट स्टार क्या है? सन है. द स्टार्स लुक स्मॉल बिकॉज दे आर वेरी फार अवे फ्रॉम अस. वो हमसे बहुत दूर है, इसलिए वो हमें बहुत छोटे लगते हैं. नाउ द सन. सन, as you can see, sun is a very hot. It's a hot ball of glowing gases at the center of our solar system. It is the nearest star to the earth. It has a diameter of about 1392000 kilometer, and it's about 150 million kilometers away from the earth. The sun is made up of hydrogen and helium. So in the sun, hydrogen changes into helium, and this releases a lot of energy and light. That's why sun is so hot, and this energy is called solar energy. Temperature at the surface of sun is about 5500 degrees Celsius, and that at its core is about 15 million degrees Celsius. And without the sun's heat and light energy, there would be no life on the earth. तो हम ये सब जो स्टार्स, प्लैनेट्स या जितनी भी हेवनली बॉडीज़ हैं, हम ये किसके थ्रू देख सकते हैं? विद द हेल्प ऑफ टेलीस्कोप. नाउ लेट अस डिस्कस about the planets. Planets are heavenly bodies that move in orbits around the sun. They do not give out heat and light on their own. They appear bright due to the sunlight that falls on their surface. There are total 8 planets in our solar system that revolve around the earth, that revolve around the sun, and our earth is one of them. So let us discuss planets one by one. So the very first planet is Mercury. Its Indian name is Budh. It has no satellite, and time taken by Mercury for one revolution is 88 days. It is closest to the sun, and it is the smallest planet. Now the second planet is Venus. Venus' Indian name is Shukra. It also has no satellites, and it completes one revolution in 225 days. It is the hottest and brightest planet. It is called evening and morning star. Now the next planet is Earth, पृथ्वी, जिस पर हम रहते हैं. It has one satellite, and it takes 365 days and 6 hours to complete one revolution. It is called the blue planet, as most of the surface is covered with water. It is the only planet where life is known to exist. Now, the next planet is Mars, or Mangal Graha. It has 2 satellites, and it takes 687 days to complete one revolution. It is called the red planet because its surface has red soil and rocks, and its atmosphere mainly contains carbon dioxide. Now let's talk about the largest planet, that is the Jupiter. Jupiter is the fifth planet from the Sun. It is the largest planet. It is twice as massive of all the other planets combined. अगर हम सभी planets को combine भी कर लें, उसके भी twice बड़ा होगा, 2 गुना बड़ा होगा ये Jupiter. Now it has 79 satellites and it takes 12 years to complete one revolution. The next planet is Saturn. It's also called Shani in Hindi, and it has 62 satellites and complete one revolution in 29 years and 6 months. It is the second largest planet. It is called the planet of rings. As you can see here in the picture of Saturn, it has rings. These rings are made up of rock particles and ice, also called gaseous planet because it is made up of gases. Now the next planet is Uranus. Uranus Indian name is Arun. It has 27 satellites and it takes 84 years to complete one revolution. It is the third largest planet. It is also called gaseous planet because it has which gas? Methane gas in the atmosphere, which gives it blue-green color. As you can see here, it is bluish green in color. And now the last planet, it is Neptune or Varun. It has 14 satellites and it takes 165 years to complete one revolution. It is the coldest and farthest planet. तो ये क्योंकि सन से सबसे दूर होता है तो it is the coldest planet. Till August 2006, Pluto was also considered a planet. However, in the meeting in the International Astronomical Union, a decision was taken that Pluto is like other celestial objects and may be called as dwarf planet or Plutoid. तो तब से पहले 9 planets होते थे, हमारे तब से 8 planets हैं. Now let us discuss something about the satellites. What are satellites? They are the small heavenly bodies that revolve around a planet. Some planets have their own satellites, like Moon. Moon is the natural satellite of the Earth. It has no light of its own. It shines because it reflects the light of the Sun. So these are satellites. I hope this all become clear to all of you. Thank you for